So this cup of coffee explains how the universe will die. Most people would assume we need energy to do stuff, whether it be running, growing, or to power our homes. But the conservation of energy tells us energy can't be created nor destroyed. So if energy remains constant, what gets used up? This is entropy. Entropy can simply be thought of as how chaotic a system is. So look what happens when I start with a low entropy system, like an ordered deck of cards, and I just move stuff around. Chaos or disorder grows. The more I do stuff to this deck of cards, the more random it becomes. Now, the law of entropy tells us that as things change, the total entropy must grow. Alright, come on, stay with me. Now, when these two liquids are separated, their relative entropy is low. But take a look at what happens when I mix them. For a brief snapshot in time, we get structure, beauty, and meaning. I'll get back to that. But this doesn't last forever because the system tends towards maximum entropy. So if we zoomed in, the arrangement of the molecules would be completely random. Now this is the universe. Stuff happens. Galaxies form, stars burn, planets orbit, and life survives. But just like the beautiful structure within our coffee, these things too don't last forever. Bodies decay, cities crumble, Earth will be swallowed by the sun, which too will eventually burn out. Black holes radiate away, all while the universe expands faster and faster. Energy remains constant, but it's how that energy is arranged, its low entropy, that gets used up. Eventually, the arrangement of all energy in the universe will spread out to maximum entropy. This is called the heat death, and this is how the universe dies. Not because things just pop out of existence, but when energy reaches maximum entropy, nothing can happen, nothing can change, and time just does not apply. The universe ceases to exist in any meaningful way. It makes me wonder though, because some say meaning doesn't exist beyond the human imagination, yet the death of our universe is correlated with the death of when anything meaningful can happen. So in this small time that everything exists and much smaller time that you exist, make it meaningful. That might just be the most profound thing you can do. That's what makes humans so unique. Now, get off your phone.